Welcome to Bangkok subway, BTS. Okay, guys, welcome to Bangkok, capital of Thailand. Big shopping mall, Tesco Lotus, very huge shopping mall. Now I'm gonna show you subway in Bangkok. It's above the city, sky train called BTS. The train that go above the city. Воздушное метро, воздушный поезд. Oh, it came now. Oh, I lost the train. Oh my God. Where's my train? Ушел без меня мой поезд. Okay, I will wait for next one. And also, please mention that these doors will open only when the train will come here. Only. So no one can fall down, no one can commit suicide. Very smart things happening here. Sky train in Bangkok, Thailand capital. Let me show you the city and the map of all stations. The population of city, megapolis and agglomeration of Bangkok is about 14 million people. It's a huge city. Oh, another train came. Have a look, guys. Have a look. It's written the name of the station, More Cheat. Here, More Cheat. And only now the door is open. You see? Only proper doors. Only this door is open. This door is not open. This is open. I can come inside. And now both doors are closed. Amazing. Asian technologies. Welcome to Bangkok. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you at the end of the world. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Write me some nice comment and give me like. Thank you. See you.